Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Sunday, October 26, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about protecting your money with silver and why it matters most today. But if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 19 years now, full-time since 2018. And it's my true passion to help others generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So with that being said, if you want to protect your money and build real wealth, in my opinion, silver is the way to do it, okay? And I'm not a financial advisor or, an expert on silver or anything like that. I'm just sharing with you my opinion. This is all my opinion and things that I have learned, okay? So go to your accountant for financial advice. But with that being said, I think that silver is the number one way to protect your wealth, simply because our dollar bill is being devalued every single day, okay? The more money that our government prints, the more our dollar bill becomes devalued. And with silver, you're getting something, it's a tangible asset, and it's been around for thousands of years. It's been used as currency for thousands of years. So with inflation going on, with declining cash value going on, with the unstable economy, the only way that I can see to protect your wealth or your money is by investing it into silver. You're trading your fiat currency for something that has real value, okay? Because our dollar bills are backed by nothing, really. It's just debt. And silver is a physical asset, a tangible asset. So what I do, I'm going to turn my blinker off. There's an accident up here in front of me. I hope everybody's okay. It looks like everybody's all right, but traffic is just backed up. But the easy way to own physical silver is by using a company that I work with called Quicksilver. And I've been with them for almost a year. It'll be a year, December 29th. All right, I joined back December 29th of 2024. So I haven't even been with them a year. But what I like about them is that you can set up what they call an auto wealth delivery and have silver sent to your doorstep every 30 days on autopilot. So it's something you can set up, not even think about, and you're getting silver delivered to your door every single month. And that could be a piece of fractional silver. We have something here for everybody's budget, but it could be a piece of fractional silver all the way up to 1 coin, 1 ounce coin, or 10 1-ounce coins, or whatever you want. It doesn't even matter. It's totally up to you, but you can have it sent to you on autopilot so you don't even have to think about it. And what I love about it is that the company will take part of their proceeds and they donate it to a non-profit organization called Feed My Starving Children to help feed starving children all across the world. So you're trading in your fiat currency for something that has real value. You're helping feeding starving children all across the world. And if you're interested in starting your own precious metals business, the company will pay you up to 7 different ways for sharing the opportunity with other people. So it's a complete no-brainer. When I saw this, it was a complete no-brainer because I had actually been stacking silver for a little bit before I joined this opportunity. And when I saw this opportunity, I was like, I got to get in on this because it just makes perfect sense. Out of all the years that I've been doing this, this is the only business that offers these 3 things. You're getting something of real value. And I'm not saying, if you belong to a health and wellness opportunity or, there's other programs that provide you with valuable products or services, but this is something that is like the top of the top. This is something that silver is going to continue to go up in value no matter what. And it's something that if, crap ever hits the fan, you have something that's going to help you and your family get through trying times, right? Potentially. You can use it to barter. You can use it, silver, it's just real wealth, right? So you can build generational wealth You're helping to feed people in need. You're helping people in need. And you can build a residual income by sharing the opportunity with other people. I don't know of any opportunity out there that does all three of those things. You know, usually you're getting like a potion or a lotion or, you know, something like that, which is fine, but not everybody needs a health supplement, you know, and there's so many health supplements. The cool thing about Quicksilver is that even though they've been in business since 2019, we're still at the beginning of this opportunity. Not very many people know about this opportunity at all. All right, it's kind of like one of those, it's kind of like a diamond in the rough, so to speak, all right? Not many people know about this opportunity at all. So even though we've been around for 6 years, we're still really at the ground floor. This is still like a ground floor opportunity, in my opinion, because not many people know about it, you know? And the owners are transparent. We have weekly overview calls. We have training calls for wealth ambassadors. Those are people who want to start their own precious metals business. It's a great opportunity. You know, it's just a great opportunity, and it helps you stack silver on autopilot. And the cool thing is the company allows you to take your commissions and reinvest it back into silver. So that's what I do. I haven't even taken any of my commissions out of this platform. I've just simply taken all of my commissions and reinvested it back into silver and gold, right? We sell gold, copper, and sometimes platinum as well. I really focus on the silver part. I have a little bit of gold, but I like stacking silver. So, you know, it's just, it's safe, it's simple to do, it's tangible. It's a great company. They buy all of their product from mint companies, okay? So you don't have to worry about anything being fake or anything like that. And they do everything under surveillance. So all of your orders are packaged and shipped under surveillance. They come with tracking and insurance. The company will even buy back whatever they sell you if you ever need the cash, okay? So, like I said, out of all the years that I've been doing this, Quicksilver is by far my favorite opportunity that I've ever been involved with, for those reasons. You know, you're building generational wealth, because let's just face it, if you take cash, okay, you take this and put this in the bank, you're not earning anything on it, all right? Even if you have $1 million in the bank, the money that you're earning on that is nothing. I mean, it's very, very little, you know, percent-wise. And the bank uses your money to make them more money, but they're not paying you any more money. So at the very minimum, you want to be keeping your money in a high-yield savings account. Or what I like to do is I like to put it into silver and just continue to stack silver. And that's what I'm going to continue doing. So if you want to learn more about Quicksilver, go to freesilverbar.com, all right, freesilverbar.com. Check out the opportunity. The company will send you a free silver bar just for checking us out. You pay a nominal shipping fee. And reach out to me with any questions. All right, I'm here to help you out. But our team is growing really quickly. It just, people are seeing the value in silver. That's why the prices are continuing to go up, because we have a finite amount of it, and the demand for it is just increasing more and more every single day. So with that being said, I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. And with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.